Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to chat in the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface of Signal, which is designed to keep your conversations private and secure. Now, at the bottom left of your screen, you'll notice an option labeled Chats. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is where all your ongoing conversations are stored, making it easy to manage and access your messages whenever you need them. Next, look to the right side of your screen and you'll see a pencil icon. Tap on this icon to start a new chat. This is the gateway to initiating conversations with anyone in your Signal contacts or even people you haven't chatted with before. Once you tap the pencil icon, a search bar will appear at the top of your screen. This is where you can search for the person you want to message. You can either search by their phone number or their Signal username, giving you flexibility in finding the right contact quickly. Type in the details and wait for the results to load. When the search results appear, you'll see a list of matching contacts. Simply tap on the person's name or number from the results to open the chat window with them. This brings you directly into your conversation thread, whether it's a brand new chat or one you've had before. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a message box. Tap on it and start typing your message. This is where you compose whatever you want to say, whether it's a quick hello or a longer note. Signal's interface makes typing smooth and straightforward. After you've typed your message, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a send button. Tap on it to send your message instantly. Your message will be encrypted end-to-end, ensuring that only you and the recipient can read it, which is one of Signal's strongest privacy features. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully started a chat and sent a message in the Signal app, keeping your communication secure and private. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.